à Jingdezhen, c'est vraiment une expérience incroyable. Et chaque jour, je me réveille en me rendant compte de la chance que j'ai de vivre cette vie. My name is Loquineau. I'm 29 years old and I'm coming from Paris, France. And I'm a ceramist. These are my last work that are gonna be fired at 1280 Celsius degrees. I have a work around the figure of the dragon. So the dragon is for me very important because I'm half Chinese and half French. And the dragon figure is for me my Chinese part. This one I really like. The scales are really giving some movement. I loved thinking about what can we make new that doesn't exist and that could be made of ceramics and that could be used. That's when I started making the bags. This is a dragon symbolic. Actually, at first my dragons were very obvious, and as time goes by, I enjoy making things with more subtle dragon's elements or just the scales, and that will suggest the dragon more than a drawing of dragon. Jingdezhen is the world's capital of porcelain, and it's really a heaven for ceramic nerds. There is a lot of events all the time, a lot of residencies. What's great about residencies is that you can try a lot of things, and you just can focus on, if I need to make the best art possible, what do I do? And it's quite amazing that such residencies exist. That's how really art develops, I think. As a foreign artist, I think it's the inclusive and open-minded nature that sustained Jingdezhen vitality for 1,000 years. And in ancient times, porcelain connected the world, and today creative forces around the globe still converge here, keeping the city's kiln fire burning for new inspirations. I'm pretty sure that I will be coming to Jingdezhen all my life.